Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to draw this structure. This paper published by Professor Jonathan R. Netscape in Journal of American Chemical Society. This is the citation where you can download this paper. So we are going to draw this structure. Okay, crystal structure of one. This structure also we will draw. So before drawing, we need to download the file. So this is the supporting information content. There you can download the data just by clicking this shift. You can download the file. After downloading, see I have already downloaded the file. We need to open by Mercury software, that is CCDC software. After opening, we'll get like this. So this is the default looking. So after downloading, you need to delete this molecule. Okay, how to delete? Little bit zoom. So zoom in, zoom out. You can do by right clicking the mouse and hover around up and down. Okay, now you select this molecule by one click, left click, and then right click, go delete this molecule, or simply right click, delete this molecule. Simply right click, delete this molecule. By this way you can delete all of the molecule. Okay. Then after doing that, you need to generate. If you look at this molecule, there are inside another molecule. It's like a catenane, right? So in order to do that, you need to generate inside one molecule. How to put? See, only one molecule we got it, and two molecules we got it, that is outside. Each molecules are separate. Now we need to put inside. So in order to do that, you delete all the molecules. After deleting, go here, then make the display options available and create short contract. Short contact. Okay, sorry, short contact. Wait for some time. It is not responding. After creating short contact, yeah, created. Now little bit zoom it, and you see there are inside some contacts are there. In order to see here, picking mode will be expand contacts. Simply one click you do, the another molecule will be generated. You just remove this one, short contact, then do this one. Now you see both molecules are interlocked. Okay. Now you can change it to capped sticks, then change the background to white color so that it will be looking like this. Okay. So already I have deleted these molecules, and final structure I will show you. See, it will look like that. So the hydrogen atoms also I have disabled, I have hidden. Okay, how did I do that? There is show hydrogen and then hide hydrogen. Okay, so in this way I have hidden the hydrogens. See, after deleting all the molecule, it will be looking like this. What you need to do, simply go to file, save as, then .mol to file. You save this file. After saving, you need to open pymol. Pymol. So pymol has opened. This is a file we have saved .mol. Simply drag it. Now zoom it. Maximize the window. See, this is the file. We have done it. So now there are no hydrogens shown here. You see, there is no hydrogen shown here. In order to do that, you can go here. This is called H. H means hide. You click this one. Go down, 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 down. There are hydrogens, right? Now click the hydrogen, and then there is all. all hydrogen you are disabling, and go to display. You change the background, change the background to white. So it has changed like this. Now you go right side panel, and then there is a color, right? You click this one, you click the color. You can change color like this, or you can separately add the color. Okay, in order to do that, before doing that, you see inside molecule, inside this molecule color they change it to cyan, light cyan. Okay, so now first we will do that one. Molecule. Okay, this is the way they have done. You need to select this one. Before doing that, you go right side panel down. You see the selecting mode residues. Residues means whatever the residue you click, that whole residue will be selected. If it is atom or other thing, you need to change that one to different. Okay, by clicking one by one. Okay, residues, you click this one. So the only inside molecules are inside that residue that is selected. Go to color, go to color, this selected one, this is called selected. You go to color and go to cyan, pale cyan. Okay, maybe it is not matching the color again. Aquamarine, I think no. Green cyan, no, it's not matching. Teal, that's not match. Deep teal, you can put it cyan. Okay, or okay. I think this looks what better. You can this one, you can change the color, right? By command color cyan B65, some number we can give 65, comma Tele. Tele means selected one. There is the unknown color. Cannot give this one. Okay, in this way. So okay, let's keep this one as it is. Cyan color we have selected, and then we need to change all the nitrogen color, copper color, sulfur color. So in order to do that, there is a command. There is a command color gray 65. My element is carbon. Okay, maybe first we should have done this one. We have done. Now inside you click this one and change the color to cyan. Cyan. Now we can click the navigation up key to get the old command. Simply we can edit it here. Color blue, element nitrogen. See inside this nitrogen is also changed. For that only we have changed this one into cyan color, and then later on we are giving the commands for changing the nitrogen color and then sulfur color also. Sulfur color we can put yellow, simple yellow. And then copper, there is a element copper. Copper one, element is copper. Color we need to know. So in order to do that, you go to color and there is a magenta, the red. In that red, fire brick we will select. You see, fire brick will be better because other colors will be something different, right? Okay, color will be fire brick. Fire, the color has changed to color brick, and we need to show the color. We need to show the copper into spheres. For that, show spheres. spheres element copper. Copper. It is changed, right? Now we need to decrease the size of the sphere. In order to do that, you have to put the command is set sphere scale, this one. Now set sphere scale, this celly we will remove and put element copper. So the size has changed. Almost we got it, right? Yeah, we got it. Now we need to fix the view. So slowly you adjust the view, how it is looking. It's fine. Zoom it here. Okay, we have changed. Now we will just ray trace it. Before ray trace, we have to do some commands. Okay, set ray trace mode 1, paste it, and then ray trace mode 1, and then and set anti-alias 1, then set ray trace gain 0, because the black color so much will come up outside if you put 1 or more than 0. Set ambient 0.03, 0.3, 3 means see a little bit white shadow came. It got a bit whiter. And then directly go to ray. Now the resolution also we have increased. See, it got ray traced. Now we need to generate the picture. For generating picture, png space, we can give something like new dot png comma dpi equal to 600, so that you will get 600 dpi quality picture. Click enter. That's all. After clicking, you go here and you will see in this folder where it is generated. You can put the name of that file and search where it is saving, and then after saving you just open it. See, it got ray traced and it is looking like that, right? You zoom, you see there is no black color around this molecule, right? See, in our molecule we can see the black color. So they have changed something. I don't know exactly what they have done, but almost we have reproduced this molecular structure, right? Okay, now this one we can do simply the top view. We need to do simply click outside, it came like this, then rotate. See this one. Now the old commands we need to do, that is simply you need to do every time ray trace in a high resolution mode. Okay, otherwise very poor resolution will be generated. You click this one, ray trace full hd mode, then generate the picture. See, nice picture has generated. That's all. Very high quality picture we have generated. If we do red race mode with 3, what will happen? Let's do that. Red race mode. Red race mode will change to 3. See, it something different color came, right? Now again red race with the high resolution. And then make the picture. Red race mode 2, if you give, it will become black and white, nothing you can see. See, the appearance changed a lot, right? Okay, that's all today. So this is how we can generate this beautiful picture using PyMol. PyMol is the very nice software. You can effectively make very beautiful structures. If you have any doubts, you comment in the comment section. And if you want me to make more videos like this kind of beautiful pictures, please ask me in the comment section. Thank you so much. Like my channel and share to your friends if somebody is working in this area, so that they can produce very high quality pictures. They can publish very nice papers, beautiful structures. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you for watching.